A fire has broken out at APJ House at Kolkata's bustling Park Street. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has swung into action, assuring citizens that there is nothing to worry about. No casualties have been reported so far.
At around 12 o'clock, the fire broke out on the APJ House on 15 Park Street, just adjacent to Park Hotel. In fact, you can see how the smoke is still coming out, just engulfs the whole building in a sense. The fire broke out reportedly on the 5th floor, and which has an office of one financial company. That is what we are being told, and it has spread to some other floors as well. We cannot see the fire from here. At this moment, the firefighters are trying to douse the fire. At least 8 fire engines have been called here, and the fire brigade is trying to douse the fire. The fire brigade is telling us that the fire has been doused, but there is a lot of smoke. They are trying to go inside that 5th and 6th floor, and probably it has spread on the 7th floor as well. At this moment, we are getting to know at least 3 persons are reportedly injured. They have been taken to the nearest hospital. That's not serious at this moment. That is what the police and the fire brigade are telling us. But at this moment, it's not very clear if it can actually spread onto the other building, which is the Park Hotel.
Everything is under control, only the smoke is there. The smoke from the smolders and debris is coming out. We are cooling, the fire brigade is in the cooling down process, and nothing to worry. I request the people of Kolkata, don't get panicky, don't give ear to rumors. No casualty, no injury. Only thing is that fire took place on the very first day. That doesn't signify that everything is not okay.
We have seen all the spots, and we are rushed to in the 7th floor through the staircase, and we have seen personally that there is no problem. No fire in the 8th floor, no fire in the 6th floor.